What's up YouTube? Another Nike outlet find. This is from the Nike outlet, I know because it's got a nice little Nike outlet price tag on it. Got a crazy deal on these. I think I paid like 60 Canadian dollars. That's like 44 US dollars. Crazy pair of all white shoes here. This is the Air Max Zero Essential. If you're already like super smitten by these, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. Very nice pair of shoes if you ask me. Very simple, very clean. You can pretty much wear these with anything. Even though they're white, they will get dirty, but these are a pair of shoes that will look somewhat better when they're dirtier. Insofar as they're not too disgusting. There's a lot of white shoes like Vans and Converse that people like to wear and beat up. This is a great little shoe from Nike that you can wear and beat up, and they're probably way more comfortable in my opinion. Obviously, it wouldn't be a Nike outlet find unless I put them on. As a result, we're gonna throw them on here for you. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. These are crazy comfortable. I might actually have to keep them for myself. The great thing about them is they look crazy with this denim. They probably look good with everything, but this denim is pretty nice, especially with all the stacking right here. If you're interested in denim like this, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. This is a pair of nudies. You can get them on Amazon. They look great with these shoes. I like the little Air logo here. This is a great pair of shoes for someone that doesn't really know what they want. They're super comfortable, super clean. They're not too flashy, but yet they're really nice. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.